Imagine being able to transform your car into a smart car and being able to track its location, engine health and driving behavior in real time even if you are not in the car. Sounds cool, but doesn't it sound somewhere far out in the future? Nope. AutoWiz makes this a reality today, very easily. All this is possible from the AutoWiz mobile app that works in combination with the AutoWiz OBD device in your car. Unlike conventional GPS tracking devices, AutoWiz is a simple plug-and-play device which goes into the OBD port of your car. An OBD port is available in all the recent cars on the road and is usually present below the steering or above the pedal. The installation does not involve any wire pull-out and is fairly simple. You just have to plug the AutoWiz OBD device into the OBD port of your car and you are done with the installation. To start off with, you'll have to download the AutoWiz app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It's completely free. Then you'll have to create an account in the app. Then set up your car details in the app and link the car to the app using a unique key provided to you for your device. The first screen you land on after logging in is the home screen where you can see the status of the car, whether it's parked or moving along with its current location. You can see the current speed by tapping on the arrow when the car is in motion. The map auto-refreshes itself every few seconds to help you view the latest location of the car real time. You can also click on the refresh button to manually refresh the map. Driving somewhere and want to update the people at your destination about where you are? The trip sharing button allows you to send a link to your friends through which they can track your car for a certain period of time specified by you. Alternatively, if you are waiting for your car to reach somewhere, just set a location notification alert. You will receive notifications on your mobile whenever your car reaches a place of your interest. Want to ensure your car is being driven within a certain area only? Use AutoWiz's GeoFence feature, which allows you to set up a boundary around a location so as to receive notifications when a vehicle enters or leaves the perimeter of that area. Finding a spot to park your car in a city is hard, and remembering where you've parked it is much harder. The car locator feature helps you resolve this issue by showing you the direction to your parked car so that you can never get lost. If you'd like to review a past trip, then we've got you covered. AutoWiz maintains a 90-day trip history which allows you to review any past trip's details. The trip history provides granular insights on any particular trip you choose to review. This feature can be very beneficial to driver-driven cars or taxis, which allows the owner to keep a watch on car misuse and keep account of daily trips. AutoWiz provides you with easy charts to help you track and review your consolidated car and driving performance on daily, weekly or monthly basis. Understand how well your car is being driven. AutoWiz can help you become a safer and better driver and save costs in the process. It can alert you when you overspeed or brake or accelerate suddenly, all of which can be unsafe and lead to higher fuel consumption. It can alert you when your car is idling for too long, which is also a major contributor to high fuel consumption. AutoWiz keeps an eye out for your car when you are away. When you park your car outside your home at night or in a busy marketplace, you can set up a theft alarm. In case your car starts or is stored during the set timings, you get notified on your mobile wherever you may be. Looking into the internal health of your car without ever visiting a car mechanic or opening your car bonnet. AutoWiz remotely keeps track of your car's health vital parameters and maintenance needs before breakdown occurs. These include battery, coolant temperature and engine-related warnings that can help you proactively take action before it is too late. Notification log keeps tracks of all the notifications you've received over the course of time. This helps you to look back at any of the alerts or notifications you might have missed out on. You can also customize the alert thresholds, notification alert preferences, vehicle profile and many more in the settings screen that makes AutoWiz personalized for your vehicle. Make the drive fun. Make the drive intelligent. Drive with AutoWiz.